Hi guys, Saurav Tiwari here, and again, for this session, for this particular video, why I am here, basically I'm going to talk about a skill which is very much needed in a modern information environment where there are so much information available to us that it is very hard, it is becoming very hard to evaluate, it is very hard to check, it is very hard to recognize that which information is right for us and which information is wrong for us, or which information is better for the solution, or which information is going to help in making the outcome with 100% or 200% accuracy. Trying to understand. So why I am talking about there's a lot of information, because the social media, the newspaper, for example, newspaper, internet, this mobile phones, we have information available to us 24 hours, right? We have Google, you can type anything and have any information right from your desk in your room and or your office. So there's a lot of information. That's why we have to come up with a solution to analyze which information is right or which information is wrong. For this, we have a technique, we have a skill that we should have, that is called, okay, so now we are going to talk about the objective of critical thinking. As I already mentioned, the skill was critical thinking skill. Okay, so objective, understanding definition of critical thinking, very important, because there's a lot of confusion that what is critical thinking, how can we use critical thinking, what exactly comes into that critical thinking process. Okay, why we need critical thinking skills? A must. Critical thinking process. What is critical thinking process? Top critical thinking skills, right? So first of all, we move on to the definition. I have already explained you what basically a critical thinking, but we are going to we're going to dive deep in the critical thinking process. First of all, definition. Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally. See, what happens then whenever information, whenever a project, whenever an idea represented to us, what we do is we trying to think by our instinct, like what has been followed by the earlier times. We try to think in that process, but a critical thinker have to think clearly and rationally, understanding the logical connection between ideas. Connection between the ideas, what is the information that is available to you? There are, for example, 5 to 6 information that is available to you. How can you connect those ideas into one cycle or one web, connecting the web and come up with a solution, or information which is more fruitful for the outcomes. For example, the ability to recognize fake news. This can be a very good example. If you are able to understand that there are a lot of news that are available to us, but how can we recognize that this news is fake or this news is not fake? For example, we believe everything, and I tell you a very important tip to you also, that whatever that is there on social media or news is not truth. That's why we need to think critically to understand कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है, right? Because a lot of people nowadays through social media and to news, they're trying to manipulate people, but you have to be critically acknowledged to think that way, that you will be able to find out कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है, right? For example, this has been said that we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used to when we created them. See, when we as I was talking in creative thinking also, problems to the solution keeps on evolving. We cannot stop and sit that okay, this was the problem 50 years back and we had that solution, and now there cannot be any other solution. There can be a solution. You have to think in that way. You have to make your direction thinking direction in that way. You have to analyze your thinking in order to in order to come up with a better solution. In essence, critical thinking, it was by Albert Einstein, a very known scientist, all of you must be knowing. In essence, critical thinking requires you to use your ability to reason the very existence of the idea. Idea has been there, but you have to have a critical reasoning to it, that why, how much. It is about being active, about being an active learner rather than a passive recipient of information. We just receive information. The information will keep on coming to you. We will keep on receiving it. But are we checking it? Are we analyzing it? Are we making it sure that it is right or wrong? This is called critical thinking. This is when you are able to analyze the problem or an idea. Why we need critical thinking skill? A must. Read this very properly. Critical thinkers rigorously question ideas and assumptions rather than accepting them at the face value. Information processes are always available. People give you on your face that this is the process, this is the information, and you have to believe in it. But critical thinkers, what they do, they don't take it on the face value. What they do, they rigorously question ideas and assumptions rather than accepting them as face value. They will always seek to determine whether the ideas, arguments and finding represents the entire picture and are open to finding that they do not. Like for example, कोई भी information तुम्हारे पास आई है, जरूरी नहीं वो entire picture को represent कर रही हो, right? Maybe उसमें कुछ hidden meaning हो जो तुम्हें जो कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन पाने के लिए तुम्हें उस चीज को फाइंड करना ही पड़ेगा. पूरी पिक्चर लेने के लिए यू हैव टू एनालाइज द सिचुएशन, you have to find the entire picture and they are open to findings that they do not. Critical thinkers will identify, analyze and solve problems systematically rather than by institution and instinct. मैंने पहले भी कहा था, not just try to solve the problem or information only by intuition or instinct. Analyze, identify and solve problems systematically. Then you will be able to come up with the best input for your mind and for for analyzing the situation. Next is why we need critical thinking. Why? Understanding the links between ideas. See, there are a lot of ideas. Are they good? Are they bad? There are few good points in some of the ideas. You have to link all the ideas to come up with the best outcome for the situation. Determines the importance and relevance of arguments and ideas. See, there will be a lot of ideas and arguments that will be only facing, but you will have to link a web. This is like a web you have to link so that you get the best outcome of the information, right? Recognize, build and appraise argument. There will be arguments also about, okay, my ideas is right, but a critical thinker, they will come up with a build an argument. Like for example, they will come up with a situation where they can get the best out of the arguments that is happening. Approach problems in a consistent and systematic way. There has to be a systematic way to approaching the problem. We'll try to find out in the later slides. Reflect on the justification of their own assumption, beliefs and values. See, everybody have their own beliefs and values. This is the truth. We have been learning from our childhood days that everybody have their own beliefs and values, but as the environment is changing, as the there's a change in thinking pattern of the customers also, and there's a thinking pattern in the students also, and there's a thinking pattern in millennials also. So you have to question, re-question and re-question your beliefs also, because they may also change. People change with time, so beliefs, values also change with time, and you have to rethink. You have to re-question that idea that you have, that you believe from from the past. Okay, this is the process basically. So this process combines both the critical thinking and the creative thinking, which I had discussed earlier in other videos. So we are going to combine these two techniques and try to come up with the best solution. So first phase of is critical thinking, that is analyze the problem, right? Analyze the problem. After analyzing the problem means, for example, we may not be able to, maybe some people when they start the project or an idea, they work on an idea, they are not able to recognize the problem, right? Problem means in which direction will be able to go and get the best solution out. So first of all, the most important, if you not want to waste your time recognizing the wrong problem, moving towards the wrong problem, the first important thing कि problem है क्या, the main हमारी core problem है क्या, we have to recognize that, analyze that. Next is brainstorming solutions. So the team, two individual, one individual, they sit and they brainstorm for the solution. Brainstorming means you have to think of alternate solutions. You have to have the best possible ways to think of that how can I solve the problem in the best way. Next is evaluate solution and choose one. For example, देखो हम लोग के पास solution आ गए, हमने brainstorm किया, हमने solution निकाले, हमारे पास 5, 6, 7, 8 solution है. Now we have to select one solution through critical thinking to get the best outcome. Best solution हमें ढूंढना है, वो critical thinking से आएगा, right? Then innovate the solution. हो सकता है उस situation में भी बहुत सारी solution में भी हमारी बहुत सारी problem हो, तब हमें क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग हमारी वहां पे काम आएगी कि हमें कैसे आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचना है कि अभी हमारी प्रेजेंट कस्टमर डिमांड जो है कहीं हमारी सोल्यूशन से अलग तो नहीं है, कहीं हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन जो हमारे प्रोडक्ट से है वो कहीं हमारे प्रोडक्ट की जो आउटकम है उससे अलग तो नहीं है, कहीं हमारी जो कस्टमर का एक्सपीरियंस कहीं घट तो नहीं रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ माई प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट गिविंग इनफ एक्सपीरियंस टू द कस्टमर्स, कहीं वो अलग तो नहीं हो रहा है. तो हमें उस सोल्यूशन को भी, हमारा जो एक सोल्यूशन निकला उसको भी इनोवेट करना पड़ेगा. देन क्रिटिक द सोल्यूशन. जो हमारा एक सोल्यूशन आ गया है उस पर और क्वेश्चन मार्क डालने पड़ेंगे, उसमें और ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करने पड़ेगी ताकि हमारा बेस्ट सोल्यूशन निकल के आए. देन मेक इंप्रूवमेंट. जितना भी हमने ये जो इनोवेट किया या क्रिटिक किया, जितने हमारी गलतियां निकली उसको हमने इंप्रूव कर लिया हमारे क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग से. देन इंप्लीमेंट द सोल्यूशन. लास्ट स्टेज थ्रू क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग वी हैव टू इंप्लीमेंट द सिचुएशन. नाउ दीज पैराग्राफ यू हैव टू मेक, you have to just give some attention. ये जो पैराग्राफ है कि a way of thinking about particular things that at a particular time, it is not the accumulation of facts and knowledge or something that you can learn once and then use it in that form forever. हम लोग के पास कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन है, आई वॉज मेंशनिंग अर्लियर ऑल्सो, हमारे पास एक इंफॉर्मेशन है जो हमारे 3 years 4 years बैक थी, बट उसी इंफॉर्मेशन को हम रीप्रोसेस नहीं कर सकते, हम उसको ही सेम सोल्यूशन नहीं कर सकते. वी हैव टू कम अप विद अ न्यू सोल्यूशन. वी हैव टू, फॉर एग्जांपल 9 times टेबल्स है, हम लोग वो स्कूल में याद करते थे, बट हमारे ऐसा नहीं होगा हर सिचुएशन के साथ. सिचुएशन इवॉल्व करती हैं, लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस अलग हो जाता है, लोगों के परसेप्शन अलग हो जाते हैं प्रोडक्ट की तरफ, लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ जाती हैं. तो हम लोग को वी हैव टू क्रिटिकली थिंक टू कम अप विद द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन दैट वी हैव. नेक्स्ट जो हमारे स्टेप्स हैं क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग के, हम लोग उसको थोड़ा बहुत डिस्कस करेंगे कि हाउ टू एनालाइज द प्रॉब्लम. सो वी हैव अ प्रॉब्लम एंड वी हैव दिस गैप. सोल्यूशन के उसमें गैप है, उसके बीच में इंफॉर्मेशन गैप है और लॉजिकल गैप है. तो इस गैप को हमें टू गैदर द इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव टू हैव लॉट ऑफ इन सोर्सेज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंटरनेट इज देयर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्सपीरियंस इज देयर, those people who have done this before, we have to look into those researches. For example, case studies है बहुत सारी, उसमें से हम लोग को information जो इस gap को घटाना है और उसको logically इसमें अंदर implement करके we have to find a solution. Second is evaluate solution and choose one. जैसे मैंने उस समय बात की, evaluate करो और एक को choose करो ताकि हम लोग brainstorming के थ्रू उसको एक को choose करना है, एक solution को. क्रिटिक द सोल्यूशन. क्रिटिक द सोल्यूशन मैंने पहले भी ऐसे बात की. क्रिटिक द सोल्यूशन मतलब उसमें कौन कौन सी गलतियां और निकल सकती हैं उसको हमें हमारे टीम प्लेयर्स के सामने लाना है और उसको इंप्लीमेंट करना है. सब इरेडिकेट करके, जितनी भी हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स थी उसको इरेडिकेट करके वी हैव टू इंप्लीमेंट द सोल्यूशन. टॉप क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स. टॉप क्रिटिकल स्किल्स इसमें फर्स्ट जो आती है वो आती है एनालिटिकल स्किल्स. एनालिटिकल स्किल्स में क्या होता है कि वी हैव टू आस्क thoughtful questions. We have to ask thoughtful questions. A lot of people, they waste timing asking, non-relevant question. They ask question which is not related to the topics. That is a big no. Just clear to your team that don't ask irrelevant question. Ask thoughtful question. Information seeking. There are different ways. There are different innovative techniques where you can seek the information which is available on that topic. और कई बारी information बहुत ही hidden mode में होती है. You have to think critically to extract that information from somewhere, right? Fourth is questioning evidence. जितने भी evidence बच है हमारे पास, जो past evidence है और जो future evidence है, जो हमारे present evidence है, we have to question them. We have to have a question mark on them ताकि हमारे और ज़्यादा best outcome हम लोग उसकी तरफ डायरेक्शन में बढ़ जाएं. रिकॉग्नाइजिंग डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिफरेंसेस एंड सिमिलैरिटीज. जितनी भी डिफरेंसेस एंड सिमिलैरिटीज है हमारे इनकम और आउटकम में है, उसको हमें रिकॉग्नाइज करना है. स्केप्टिज्म बहुत जरूरी है. स्केप्टिज्म मींस कि ये ऐसा क्यों है, ये ऐसा क्यों नहीं है, और ये ऐसा क्यों हो नहीं सकता. This is called skepticism. We have to answer these kind of things in analytical skills. Next is communication between the teammates, or for example two individuals. It is very important. Communication is the base building. If you don't communicate, if you're not good in communication, if you not communicate wisely, your whole project will be like for example of no use. Collaboration, I've also talked about collaboration in my previous slides, that for example don't criticize the idea, right? No, don't criticize the person, don't criticize the idea, right? Don't criticize the person, you can criticize the idea. So this is called come in collaboration and work together. Explanation, expressing opinions and ideas. Have a open platform for expressing opinions and ideas. Interpersonal relationship, how we are behaving with the in-group and out-group, how we are behaving between each other. It is very important. Teamwork is very important. If you are not able to work in team, it is very difficult for you to come up with a proper and a general solution and a best solution. Open-mindedness. See, when we are working in a team or when we are doing a project, open-mindedness is very important. Why? Because we are not, when we are working on a process, you should not be a single-minded, be an open-minded. You are open to every information that is coming, you are open to every idea that is coming, you are open to every thoughts which are coming. Be open to everybody. For example, the first thing is cultural differences. A lot of people, they take this cultural differences very seriously, but you should not. Ideas can come from everywhere, from any age. You should be fair, you should be objective, you should observation, you should observe very like in a very high note, you should observe very बहुत अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व करना चाहिए सबको, ताकि हमें उनसे इनपुट मिल पाए, उनके पास जो नॉलेज है वो हम गेन कर पाए. रिफ्लेक्शन, अपनी जो इंफॉर्मेशन है उसको रिफ्लेक्ट करो. डोंट कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ, जस्ट रिफ्लेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू हैव. ओपन टू एक्सपीरियंस प्लस इंटेलेक्चुअल ह्यूमिलिटी. इंटेलेक्चुअल ह्यूमिलिटी मीन्स हम कैसे अपनी जो हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन है, बहुत लोग कहते हैं हमारे पास जो इंफॉर्मेशन आई एम नॉट गोना गिव यू, I'm not going to tell you, जो मेरे पास इंफॉर्मेशन, जो मेरी क्वालिटी है, मेरी स्ट्रेंथ है, मैं तुम्हें नहीं बताऊंगा, मैं तुम शेयर नहीं करूंगा. बट ऐसा नहीं है. शेयर करके ही हम लोग एक कोलैबोरेशन में आ सकते हैं और एक अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट की तरफ, अच्छे आउटकम की तरफ बढ़ सकते हैं. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अटेंशन टू डिटेल्स. लॉट ऑफ पीपल, दे डू द प्रोजेक्ट्स फ्रॉम द अपर लेवल, they don't go into the layers. Go into the layers of the projects. Very important. Layers, going to layers are very important. Clarification, have clarification from beforehand only कि मुझे करना क्या है, मेरी responsibilities क्या है और मुझे किस outcome तक पहुंचना है, मेरा goal क्या है. Have this clarification in your mind beforehand the project. Identify patterns. Patterns कैसे identify कर सकते हैं? By exploring new ideas. See, we are not supposed to bind our ideas into one direction. Explore करो. Be adventurous. There is nothing bad in gaining information. वो तुम्हें critical thinking से पता होना चाहिए कि वो सही है या गलत है, but information sharing, information gathering is never bad. So keep on exploring. Innovative. Be innovative. have a creative attitudes, be innovative, नई नई चीज़ें try करो, नई नई चीज़ें, नई नई books पढ़ो. You'll have to create an innovative solution for this, right? Okay guys, thank you, and this was my session for creative thinking. I hope you understood that what it takes to be a creative thinking, which is a modern day thinking technique, which is very helpful because, as you know, product, process, people are evolving and you have to evolve with them. Saurav Tiwari signing on. Adios. And commenting below is very important so that I can know what are your questions and your queries and I can answer them in a proper way. Thank you. Bye.